I get this question a lot. How often do I have tooth pain? Actually, ever since I started wearing pop-on veneers, I have had less infections. I'm pain-free. That is the biggest thing. I am pain-free, and without these, I would not be pain-free. Ever since I started wearing these in the last 3 to 4 years, I've had very minimal infections because I truly believe, for me, it has helped me. They have kind of preserved the teeth underneath. Now, I will say that I do wash them, I do cleanse them often because I do eat with them and I sleep with them in. So I do the mouthwash. I put the veneers in tablets. You get retainer tablets whenever you purchase these. So for me, I don't have a ton of tooth pain as I'm wearing these. I also want to note, so where my missing teeth are, do you see that dark material? So what they do is they fill that, the veneer where you're missing teeth with a solid material. So it's not like hollow, it's solid, so it makes things sturdy whenever you're eating. So if I didn't wear these, I wouldn't, I can't chew on the sides I don't have teeth. These allow me to chew my food. I eat apples, I eat chips, I eat pizza, I eat chicken, I eat anything. I eat corn, vegetables, cucumbers, I eat anything.